you can go. Hi everyone, this is my first video finally. Everybody and their mama been asking me for a makeup tutorial, so I finally made one. If you want to see what my makeup looks like and everything I use, then you can keep watching. If not, then you can go. Okay. I'll try to link everything I used in the description. If I forget, my bad. I'm busy. I'm in college now. But yeah, if you want to see it, keep watching. Okay, so first step is primer. I use the e.l.f. primer that everybody uses. I don't know if it does anything, but I use it because everybody else uses it. Okay, second step is foundation. I'm gonna use the fenty foundation. I don't think it's my color, but you know, there's only one pump because it's hot all on my face. I'm one of those people that don't really wear foundation on their forehead, but you know, do what you want to do. I'm not judging. I'll put a little, not a lot. I just spread that all over my face. And I'm going to use for concealer. I'm going to use LA Girl Pro Conceal in fawn. I like a really bright under eye, so it is kind of light, but that's how I like it. So I'm going to do it on my under eyes and on my upper lip area and a little on the nose, just a little, like barely any on the nose. I'm going to first use a Real Techniques brush for the under eye just to spread it a little and get like really underneath my eye. And then I'm going to use a sponge to blend it out. And I also forgot a step. I missed a step because I'm kind of rushing. I usually do my brows before I do anything else. So I just use this random brow pencil from the beauty supply store and an old like spoolie. And I go for more like a thin brow. Usually, recently it's been a little thicker than usual, but they're still on the thin side. And I'm just gonna kind of, I don't really know like what type of shape I go for. I just kind of trace my natural brow shape. It's definitely a trust the process type thing because they look a little crazy before I blend them out. Like I was saying, when I use the setting spray, I mean not setting spray, setting powder, I actually hate packaging. It's like you can barely get what you need out of it and it gets everywhere. I powder up and I'm gonna make my under eyes. Recently, where am I put concealer? You can hear music. It's because my college is recording. They're playing Justin Bieber right now outside. So, you know, just ignore that if you can hear it. Let's do bronzer now. Bronzer, L'Oreal Infallible, and dark. Same brush I use for foundation. Wow. Maybe I shouldn't use this. I'm gonna use this brush instead. Okay. I think that's okay. Sometimes I'll put the bronzer on my eyelids. This is fluffy brush. And my storage keep going out, so we have to speed this up. Okay. Now I'm almost done. I'm just gonna brush this palette away. So I'm gonna see again. I did not realize that my candle went out when I did my lip combo, which is very annoying. But basically, all I use on my lips are a brown lip liner. It could be any brown lip liner, and I use the NYX Butter Gloss in Eclair. I don't know why it cut out like that. That's so annoying. Okay, we're pretty much done. My camera keeps stopping. So. And that's pretty much it. I feel like it looks crazy, but you know, whatever. Okay, I'm gonna film this really quick. This is the 4th time I filmed this. If you want to see more of me, subscribe. If not, go. I don't care. I have to go. So thank you for watching. Make sure you subscribe and like and comment, and I will be posting more often. So yeah.